Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level, firm surface. Gather your essential tools, a jack, a lug wrench, and wheel chocks. Locate your spare tire and all the necessary equipment, usually found in the trunk. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to review your car's manual for specific jacking points. With your car stable, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen each lug nut on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn while the wheel is still on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning. Now, carefully position the jack at the designated jacking point and raise the vehicle until the tire is completely off the ground. For extra safety, place jack stands under the car's frame. Once the vehicle is safely supported, fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on your Audi. Gently push the spare onto the hub. Hand tighten each lug nut onto the studs, ensuring the wheel is seated properly against the hub. Carefully lower your Audi until the spare tire is on the ground, then remove the jack and jack stands. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Double-check the spare tire's pressure. It should be clearly marked. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to have your flat repaired and the spare checked. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.